Assalamualaikum, my dear student. How are you all? I hope that all of you will be in good health. I am your science teacher. Today we start our new session from a new chapter. Open your books, page number 1. Unit number 1, living and non-living things. What is the meaning of living and non-living things? Living things are those which can breathe, which can eat, which can move from one place to another. Non-living things are those which cannot move from one place to another. They cannot breathe, they cannot eat. In this chapter, we will study about the difference between living and non-living things. Turn the pages, page number 2. First of all, we start from a small activity. Which of the following do you think can move and eat? It's a picture of rabbit, it's a picture of bear. Now in these two, which can move, which can breathe and which can eat? Picture of rabbit. It can breathe, it can move from one place to another. So this rabbit is a living thing and it can move and eat. Things around us are divided into living and non-living. Underline word living and non-living. Let us find out the difference between them. Now, today our main topic is living things. There are many kinds of living things in the world. Human beings, animals and plants are living things. Those things which can breathe, which can eat is known as living things. In these living things, examples are human being, underline word human beings, animals and plants. Look at this picture. Human being can eat food. So we call it living things. They can also move from one place to another. They can also breathe. Breathe means in and out of air. Look at this dog. It's also called living things. Now living things they need food and water. These are basic needs of living thing. Also shelter. These three are basic need of living things. Living thing cannot survive without food, water and shelter. Page number 3. Human beings and animals get their food from plants and other animals, whereas plants make their food with the help of air, water and sunlight. Human beings and animals, they can take food from plants and also other animals. Now these plants can make their food with the help of air, water and sunlight. Living things can have young ones, means they have small babies. They can breathe, they can grow. Fish can breathe through gills. They have small holes on their body through which they can breathe. They can grow, means plant can grow into adult plant. They can also move from one place to another. Human beings and animals breathe in air from their surrounding, while fish breathe in air from the water through their gills. Fish can breathe through their gills. Gills are small holes present on the body of fish. Again, I summarize my topic. In these 2 pages, we will study about living things. Living things can breathe, they can eat, they can move from one place to another. Now today I am giving you a small task. Open page number 8. Question number 1. You can write this question in your notebooks. Name any 2 living things. You can write any 2 living things. You can draw margin line, write day and date and do your work neat and clean. Write chapter name, living and non-living thing. Question answers. Question number 1. Name any 2 living things. You can write any 2 names of living thing. First one is tree, second is cat. Do your work neat and clean. Thank you students. Have a nice day.